has been the most dominant party in our country, Kenya, from 2007. We were the leader in 2007 in Parliament. We have been the majority in the coalitions that we have formed from that time, 2013, up to 2022. Now that position of the ODM party is not about to change. Mara Rio, we have a leader now. The Honorable Dr. Oburu Oginga Odinga. Jacklash, it was then our whole loyalty. Ile ya left and right. Unakumbuka hiyo? Ile ukiambiwa ujump high, unasema how high. Now that loyalty must go to only one person. The Honorable Dr. Oburu Odinga. Let us not divide ourselves. The relevant organs of the party have already decided. I want to see by a show of hands, na tutoe kofia, wangapi hapa wanakubaliana mimi ya kwamba kiongozi wetu hapa kwa ODM ni one Dr. Oburu Oginga Odinga. Hebu nione kwa Koromano. Baba Noe why broad-based government. On the 10-point agenda, we are in that government of broad-based up to 2027. After that, the relevant organs of the party will sit and decide our next destination. One thing is sure, however, that we will either form that government on our own or with like-minded parties or coalition of parties. May God bless the soul of Baba Raila Amolo Odinga.
Asante sana.